Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and safe at your homes. Okay, and we teachers are missing you in the classrooms, but stay safe at home. Okay, today we will start chapter number 2, food. Today we will start chapter number 2, food. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about the different kinds of food and importance of a balanced diet and eating manners. Okay, so when we feel hungry, we eat food. We eat food. Okay, and food gives us what? Food gives us lots of energy to work and play. Food gives us lots of energy to work and play. Okay, and it help us, or it help our body to growing well. See dear students, now you all are child, you all are a small child. It means you have to eat more healthy food rather than we all us. Okay, you have to eat more healthy food rather than the us. Why? Because you all are a growing up child. You all are a growing up child. Okay, and food keeps us healthy and fit. Food keeps us healthy and fit. We already learnt about all these in our previous lecture. Okay, now today we will going to learn about the category of food. Today we will going to learn about the category of food. There are main 3 types of category of food. First is energy giving food. Second one, body building food. And third is protective food. Okay, there are the 3 categories of the food. Okay, yes. Now I am going to first read about this picture. Okay, first number, can you see in the book? First is bread, second is milk, third one fish, fourth is butter, fifth vegetable, sixth fruit. Okay, and here I am going to read this paragraph for you, then I will explain this paragraph. Okay, now here line number 1 I am going to read for you. Line number 1 I am going to read for you. We eat different kinds of food. What is written over here? It is written, we eat different kinds of food. Yes, it is very much correct. We always eat different kinds of food. Suppose your mama will prepare daily khichdi for you and daily same dal and rice and vegetables, then you will get bored and you will not take interest to eat. And one more thing, you will not get all the vitamin, protein and all. Okay, so it is very much necessary to eat always different kinds of food. See, always eat all types of vegetables, always eat all types of fruits. Try to always eat all the milk product food like buttermilk, curd, milk, paneer, cheese, butter and all. Okay, yes. So the meaning of this line is that we should always try to eat different type of food. Okay, daily don't eat the same type of pulse. Okay, try to eat different type of pulses. Okay, yes. Now see, now there are three category of food. There are three category of food. First one is energy giving food. First one is energy giving food. What is the mean by energy? First you have to understand the meaning of this word. Energy means ताकत. How you will get the energy? कैसे ताकत मिलेगी? ताकत किस चीज़ के लिए? ताकत खेलने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए, and all these things. Okay, so here you can see the picture. There are some food. There are some food, and name of the foods are first sugar, then potato, then bread and cheese. Okay, so these four things are giving you the energy. Okay, and in your second picture, see, look at the second picture in your book. When you will watch this video, please keep book with you. Okay, please keep book with you and try to read with me. Okay, and second one is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food means how we can get good body. How we can get good body. Good body means the fitness of our body. See, sometimes some childrens, when they will play outside, they will get tired. They will get tired easily. So it means they are not completely fit. It means they are not completely fit. And some students, they are playing whole day. They are playing whole day outside, but they are not feeling tired. It means what? It means they are very fit. It means physically they are very fit. And some students, have you seen some students, they are having lots of energy. They are having lots of energy rather than the others. It means they have the good fitness. They have the good fitness. So how we can get good fitness? How we can get good fitness? We can get good fitness by eating all these bodybuilding food. We can get good fitness by eating all these bodybuilding foods. So I will tell you the names of the bodybuilding food which is mentioned in your book. Okay, see the picture number second. See the picture number second. This one. Okay, here glass of milk, fish, eggs, and the cereals. Yes, see, when you will drink more milk, when you will eat eggs, and when you will eat fish, then you will get good healthy body. Then you will get good fitness. Okay, but you have one question in your mind, ma'am, if I am a vegetarian, ma'am, if I am a vegetarian child, how I can eat eggs, how I can eat fish? So my dear students, when you want to good fitness, then you will drink more milk and try to eat all the milk product like cheese, butter, paneer, and take more protein. Take more protein so you can eat all types of pulses. हर तरह की दाल खाओ. Then take more milk. Okay, if you are right now, suppose if you are taking 1 glass of milk, then take at least 2 glasses of milk in a day with curd, butter and cheese. Okay, and third one is protective food. Third one is protective food. What is the mean by protection? Here, what is the mean by protection? First, you have to understand. Protection means suraksha. Protection means suraksha. We call protection in Hindi suraksha. Okay. When you will see the advertisement, sometimes have you seen that ad, close up or what, Colgate? In that ad you have see suraksha. ये है हमारा सुरक्षा चक्र. Okay, so protection means सुरक्षा का घेरा. Okay, how we can protect our body? By what? By the diseases. By the diseases. So in this picture you can see all types of fruits and vegetables. Here, picture number 3, all types of fruits and vegetables are over here. When you will eat all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, then you will protect your body by this. Okay. Protective food means you will get protection if you will eat more and more fruits, more and more vegetables. Okay, so first, energy giving food. How you will get instant energy? Then you will eat rice, potato, bread and butter. Body building food. How you can get a body? See, sometimes you will when you will see the Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni and Tiger Shroff, that time you will feel very happy and you will tell to your friends, wow, what a nice body he has. So how they are getting good body? By eating all the body building food like eggs, fish, all type of grains and milk. Okay, and protective food. How we can protect our body? We can protect our body by eating all types of fruits and vegetables. All type of fruits and vegetables. Okay, dear students, try to understand. You have to eat all time balanced diet. You have to eat all time balanced diet. Balanced diet give you the fit and healthy body as well as a protective body. Okay, now I am turning the page. Now I am turning the page and I am taking out what is a balanced diet. See, we will going to read this paragraph. We will going to read in this paragraph what is a balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? Okay. Here I am going to read line number 1 for you. If you will watch this video, please keep this book with you. Okay, please keep this book with you. Yes, we should eat a little bit of each type of food at different time of day. What is written in your book in line number 1? We should eat a little bit of each type of food at different times of the day. Yes, it is very much correct. we all are eating different kinds of fruits. Different kinds of fruits on different time. Okay. It makes a what? It makes a balanced diet. It makes a balanced diet. So, underline the word balanced diet. Underline this word balanced diet. In this, we will learn about the balanced diet. What is a proper balanced diet? Okay, when you will read this chapter, please read this. Please underline this word balanced diet. Okay, a balanced diet keeps us healthy. What is written over here? It is written a balanced diet keeps us healthy. Okay. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. This is the definition of the balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. So, what is balanced diet? Now we will read. First we will see the picture. First we will see this chart of balanced diet. Dear students, this is the chart of the balanced diet. Here all the things of mentions. So we will get the good balanced diet. First one is milk. Second one is butter. Third one is all type of fruits and vegetables. Then salad, fish, eggs, bread and jam. This is a complete balanced diet. We have to eat complete balanced diet in a day. Okay. Yes. So I am giving you the work. Okay, after this explanation, I will give you the work. Okay, balanced diet means all type of milk product. Okay, first when you will wake up in the morning, then you will drink milk. Yes. Okay, then you will eat your breakfast. Yes, and try to eat sprouts or healthy breakfast. Okay, like upma and idli. Okay, and poha and any stuffed paratha. This is your good breakfast. And always have heavy breakfast. Always have heavy breakfast. And when you will take your lunch, take at least especially salad in the lunch. Okay, and dal, chapati, rice and salad should be there when you will take your lunch. And then sometimes take dal. Sometimes if you are vegetarian, then eat more protein. Okay, and how you will get the protein? You will get the protein when you will eat more dal. When you will eat different type of pulses, then you will get protein. Okay, see, pulses is the rich source of the protein. Pulses is the rich source of the protein. And if you are vegetarian, then eat more salad, then eat more vegetables, then eat more fruits and eat all type of milk product. Okay, if you are a non-vegetarian person, then eat eggs, because eggs is the rich source of the protein. Eggs is the रिच सोर्स ऑफ द प्रोटीन, बहुत सारा प्रोटीन होता है एग में. ओके, एंड फिश ऑल्सो, फिश इज ऑल्सो अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, if you are, see, if you are a vegetarian person, what and how many things you will get in your balanced diet? First, all types of milk product, milk, butter, cheese, buttermilk, curd, and all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, and all types of pulses, or you can say grains. Okay, and don't forget to eat the sprouts and the salad. Okay, because salad has rich source of roughage and vitamin and proteins all. Okay, and if you are a non-vegetarian person, then eat more eggs, because eggs is the rich source of protein. Okay, so this is the explanation about this part. This is the explanation about this part. Now I will read this line. I will read the line which is under of this picture. Okay, now water is also play a very important role in our human body. We all should drink at least 8 to 10 glass in a day, or more than 8 to 10 glass in a day. So water is very much important, because human body is made up by the 70% of the water. Our body is made up with the 70% of the water, and salad also a very important part of our diet. Sometimes I have seen in the mess also, when we were going on the mess, that time I have seen many students are not taking the salads. Many students are not taking the salads. Why is it so? Because they don't have their habit to eat salads. That's why they were not taking. But salad, see here, the big plate of the salad you can see in the picture. The big plate of the salad you can see in the picture. It means what? It means that you have to eat more salad and you have to drink more water. Okay, my dear students, when you was in class 1, that time some parents complained me about the water. Ma'am, my child is not drinking much of water in a day. You please convince him or her to drink much of water. Why is it so? See, water and salad, this is the important part of our life, and this human body is 70% of the water is there. Okay, in this human body we have 70% of the water. So now you can understand very nicely. You all are at your home, so you have to drink lots of water. Okay, nowadays day is very hot. Day is very hot. Sometimes some students, if they are watching television, they are sitting, but they forget to drink the water, and their mama is telling, oh please baby, go and drink more water, please go and drink water. So don't do this. Always drink water on proper time. Okay, don't forget this. Whenever you will feel thirsty, go and drink water quickly. Whenever you will feel thirsty, go and drink water quickly. And keep one thing always in your mind, always drink while sitting. Okay, don't drink water like that. Take a glass and don't drink like that. No, this is the bad habit of drinking. If you feel thirsty, then take the glass of water and sit properly, then eat slowly. Okay, take small sips of water. This is the proper good habit of drinking. Okay, so how you will drink? Take the glass of water and sit, then drink and take small sip while drinking. कभी भी आपको खड़े होकर पानी नहीं पीना है. Always sit and drink slowly. Okay, so this is the rule how we can drink. Okay, we human have 70% water in our body. How much percent of the water we have? 70% water in our body. So it is very much necessary to drink water regularly. But one condition is there, your water should be neat, clean and pure. आपका पीने का पानी साफ सुथरा और शुद्ध होना जरूरी है. Okay, so yes, so this is the explanation of this line. Water and salad are also important part of our diet. So what is the important part of our diet? Water and salad. See dear students, in this lecture how many things we learnt? We learnt about two things. First, category of food. In this category there are three types of category. First is energy giving food. In this we have to eat potato, bread, butter and sugar. These all are the giving us instant energy, तुरंत ताकत देते हैं. Okay, then the body building food. How we can get a good body? Body building food means how we can get the good muscles, and muscles help us to run, to walk, to jump, to drink, to hold something. Okay, so how we can get these strong muscles? So we can get these strong muscles by eating body building food. And what are the body building food? If you are vegetarian, drink more milk and take lots of protein. Okay, you will get protein in milk product like milk, and paneer is the rich sources of the protein. If you are a non-vegetarian person, then eat fish and eggs. Eggs is the rich source of the protein. Okay, so how you will get good and healthy body? You will get good and healthy body by eating body building foods like milk, eggs and all grains and the fish. And protective food. Number 3 is protective food. How we can protect our body from the disease? See dear students, nowadays the coronavirus is going on in all over the world, and everybody wants to protect ourselves by the coronavirus, from the coronavirus. So how we can protect our body from the diseases? See, sometimes some students always they are not well. Maximum time of the year they are fall in sick. They have their cough, cold, flu, fever. Okay, this is not, it means your body is not very much good. So try to eat more protective food. Protective food will protect you from all type of diseases. Protective food protects you to all type of diseases. In this category you have to eat more vegetables or every type of vegetable. In this category you have to eat all types of fruits. Okay, so in today's lecture we learnt about the energy giving food, body building food and protective food. And then we learnt what is a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. This is the definition of a balanced diet. When we will eat balanced diet, then we will get good, fit, healthy body. Okay, so how we can get good, fit and healthy body? We can get good, healthy and fit body by taking the balanced diet. By taking the balanced diet. So always take balanced diet in your meals. Okay, so drink more milk, eat butter and paneer, all types of fruits, vegetables, especially salad, fish, eggs, jam. Okay, then we discuss about the water. See, dear students, water plays very important role. Water and salad, these two plays a very important role in our diet. Okay, we human beings have 70% water in our body. We human beings have 70% of the water in our body. So always drink 8 glass water in a day or more than 8 glass water. Okay, then try to eat always salad. You can make salad by mix all the fruits and see, you can use radish, carrot, tomato, onion, and you can take sprouts also. Then you will get the good salad. So water and salad plays an important role in our life. So this is the explanation about the category of food: energy giving food, body building food and protective food, and the balanced diet. Okay, now we will learn in our next lecture meal time and where does food comes from. Okay, we will learn about these paragraph, these pages. So it is over from my side. I am hoping that you all will doing studies at your home. So study at home. Don't go out. If you want to go out or if it is necessary to go out, please wear mask. Please wear mask. And thank you and have a nice day. Bye.